What's up, my YouTube fam? Bam, what's happening though? Strap is in the building. It's your boy Young K on here once again, man. I gotta go to this young AA class they got me going to, man. Telling y'all stay away from the drugs, man. Drugs and alcohol is no bueno. No bueno at all. They got me on right here on Fig and Coding, man. Fig and Coding. So for all you motherfuckers that be riding up and down Fig looking for tricks, y'all know where I'm at. I'm right here at 9604. Yeah, man, we over here busting out AA classes and all that. Look at Fig, man. Looking dry as hell right now, man. Y'all see that little hooker over there? Nobody wants that shit right there, man. Shit, man. Got the Elroys down there, man. Yeah, man, I'm over here, man. They got a nigga doing these classes and shit, man. So, man, once y'all come support your boy, come on down here, man. Put something in the basket. Contribute something to the cause. The Strap is in the building. You know what I'm talking about? Man, I want to check out some more funny videos. I'm telling you, man, go to Daddy Cake 7 on y'all YouTube channels. And look at some Strap videos, man. They funny as hell, man. Funny as hell, man. Got me over here watching my back while I'm videotaping. You know what I mean? It's dangerous out here in the streets, man. Strap is in the building. And this ain't no MTV Awards. This is the Strap Awards. YouTube that shit.